We cut the advertising budget to zero, put our focus on social media. It takes a lot of work. We're getting about 1,500 DMs a day.
Wow.
7 days a week. So
Wow.
I respond to every message every single day, so it takes about 4 hours a day with four steps. So people have my password, they read me the question, and then the key to growth is interaction with people.
Okay. Rule number one, there are no rules, okay? We've broken every rule about how to do this, okay? Me doing steak week. What the hell does that have to do with recycled materials, right? Nothing. But people get to know you because, hey, I like steak too. I post my garden.
Yeah.
So I would find someone in your company that's passionate about social media, because social media doesn't work unless the person that's driving it is passionate. And
With my Instagram, I want people to be on the trip with me like they're there. And that's the whole key of my social media and how it's grown, is that people can feel like they're a part of it. And that's the key, is you want people to be engaged, and you have to show them, like, it's basically like making a movie. And that's what we're doing.
Well, that's where it got. But the market, to your original, the market will tell you what is working. Mm-hmm. People who direct message you, people who comment, that will tell you. Like I say, sometimes you come out, you think you got the greatest post, this is going to hit a home run, falls flat. Sometimes you put out stuff you don't think, and then all of a sudden it blows up. You don't know. But
through our marketing and through our relationships and through the core values of the company, and really through ISRI and our relationship with ISRI and our involvement with ISRI, our relationships have allowed us to grow our business. And it's been a great ride. It's been a great ride. So our results are, we've grown exponentially, and we've had a lot of fun doing it.
That's great.